Here's a story that has me in fear that science is getting too far ahead of itself.
This is a story that is so crazy, it's like a million thoughts are running through my mind as I report it to you. However, they say millions of genetically modified mosquitoes could be released in the Florida Keys if British researchers win approval to use the bugs, which they say will hopefully combat against two and what they call extremely painful virus diseases. However, never before have insects with modified DNA ever come so close to being set loose in a residential U.S. neighborhood. Michael Doyle, who is an executive director at the Florida Keys Mosquito Control District, said, "This is essentially using a mosquito as a drug to cure disease." However, the thought of being bitten by a genetically modified organism carried in these mosquitoes would frighten me. And I guess I'm not the only one, because more than 130,000 people signed a Change.org petition against this experiment. I have no idea where this will lead, but my thinking is if these companies spent all this money in order to genetically modify mosquitoes and put this big investment into it, I have a feeling the FDA will bow to Big Pharma once again and put our public at risk.